Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the VEVOR Ozone Generator, a machine designed to eliminate odors, kills bacteria, and freshen up spaces. We put it to the test in real rooms with lingering smells, and here's what we found. This ozone generator works by releasing ozone molecules that break down odors and airborne contaminants. After using it in a space with strong smoke and pet smells, we noticed a significant difference. The air felt fresher, and the odors were cut down noticeably. For musty basements, it worked better than regular air fresheners, leaving a cleaner environment overall. The pros are that it's powerful for tough smells, easy to use, and more affordable than some commercial-grade machines. The cons are that it requires careful handling since ozone isn't safe to breathe in directly. It can't be used while people or pets are in the room, and it doesn't permanently solve problems if the odor source isn't addressed. Overall, the VEVOR Ozone Generator isn't junk. It's effective if used correctly, but it's definitely a tool for occasional deep cleaning, not for everyday freshening. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.